George is the sales leader at his organization and is responsible for bringing in new business through his teams. His teams receive leads through multiple channels including email campaigns, web forums, cold calls, and direct marketing. George is very concerned about sales conversions being very low. Additionally, it is a laborious process to manually monitor all leads. George needs a platform that can monitor every lead and accurately measure sales activity. George gets Effort from sports to simplify and streamline the tedious process.
Effort lets George assign leads to executives based on PIN codes, proximity, or manually. He can also monitor sales activity in real time.
Effort ensures that employees are following defined processes and activities, and drastically improved conversions, additional revenue, and happy customers.
With Effort, George can efficiently manage, monitor, and make informed decisions on each lead.
Effort gave him timely information as well as significantly higher conversions, additional revenue, and happy customers.
Key benefits: real-time visibility on leads. Consolidates leads from multiple sources in one dashboard. Assign leads via multiple intelligence like PIN code or nearby location.
Effort offers a wide range of features. Some of the key features used in lead management include: raise service requests through multiple channels, phone, email, IoT devices, geointelligence, intelligent allocation and time to reach based on availability, seamless API integrations, real-time visibility, real-time notifications, growing business, happy customer. Enhance productivity and save time with Effort. Grow your business with us and achieve higher customer satisfaction. Sign up and start your free trial now.